皆さんこんにちは。
こんにちは。
スティーブテクションのあっちゃんです。
スティーブです。
今日はまた86プロジェクト日。でもこの前の動画には言ってないんだけど、思ったよりちょっと早く来ちゃったね。
進みます。進まないとあっちゃんがまた大学に戻っちゃうんで、それまでに終わらさないといけないというゴールですね。これ目標です。
今日はオーバーホールっていうかな。
違うよ。オーバーホールはこれからなんだけど、出しますね。エンジンを下ろしちゃいます。なぜかというと、みんなに話したのはあっちゃん、このエンジン、これからこの車のエンジンについてどうするのかっていうこと。
エンジンを出して改造するためだけじゃないけどね。
まあもちろん、クリーンアップとかいろいろもあるのね。目標がね。
まああと、
これから
も
いろいろ。でも、
なんかいっぱいやることがあるので。
何より、このエンジンはどうするのかっていう、この車のエンジンはどうするのかっていうこと。4AGE のエンジン。これ16バルブタイプだよね。
16バルブ。
タイプ。
ビッグポート。
ビッグポートのエンジンなの、
はい、
これは。このエンジンを、これをもっとさらにいいエンジンに、高回転のエンジンにするのか、もしくは違うエンジンにするのか、などの考えることいっぱいあるんだよね、これからね、あっちゃん。どうする？
まあもう考えてある。
考えてるんだよね。
本当なら20バルブ入れたい。
入れたいんだよね。でもあっちゃん、これはないでしょ、あんまり。ないなら、このエンジンではどうするかということ。とにかく、エンジンはこれからのことなんだけど、下ろさないといけないんだよね。
うん。下ろして
にしろ。
うん。で、中身をちょっと見てみたい。
中も見てみたいし、いろんなね、これからの予定も立てていきたいので、エンジンとかこの車のクリーンアップするには、エンジンを下ろすことは今日の目標だよね。で、自分たちで頑張るのと、あとは近くにあるすごいいいチューニングショップの人と出会ったよ、あっちゃん。アイブンさん。
もうすぐ来るからその時に紹介しようね。
紹介しますので、アイブンに手伝ってもらって、これからエンジンビルドと、エンジンをばらすことと、などのことを、アイブンと
チューニング
この車をやっていこうと考えているので。
チューニングも。
チューニングまで。もう、これからスタートですね。頑張りましょうか、あっちゃん。
頑張らないと。
頑張ろう。もう時間がないもんね。
ジャックにあげたね。
あげたんだよな、
うん、
もうエンジンを下ろしは準備、これからもう準備 OK なんだけど、やっぱりさすがプロの人の手伝いもいるので、本日来てもらったのはアイブンさんです。アイブンと
Hi people, how you all doing?
I want to introduce you guys to the fans on the channel. They're meeting you for the first time. I want to explain. I was driving in a town called Princeton, which is right near here, kind of where I live. I was going down there one day and I look up to my right and I see this Cobb tuning sign up on the wall. And I said, on a wall in a shop. And I said, what is that in the middle here? Almost the middle of nowhere. I pulled in. You were not there. We met. We spoke. We became friends. And I said, hey, kid, I found a great shop real close by with two awesome guys. You guys are Puerto Rican, right?
Yeah, we both are.
I love Viva Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah.
I love it. I grew up around a lot of Puerto Rican, Puerto Rican people, but I did not realize how much your culture in Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic too are all about.
Yep.
The
Japanese cars, the
Corolla,
86, yes.
the RX-7,
Yeah,
the
absolutely.
FC. Pretty much
anything in Japanese, we are very involved with.
And tell us your first car, what it was.
Well, my first car was an 87 MR2 with essentially with the same engine that we were having. Yeah.
With the 4AG. Yeah. So when I came to Ivan, I said, hey, we got this little project. It's a 4AG engine. It's a Corolla. Ivan almost started tearing up, saying, "Oh my God!
Yeah, I did.
Oh my God!"
It's a throwback. It's a throwback to my kid days.
To his kid days. 皆さんこれから楽しみにしてくださいよ。もう本当にこの 4AG のエンジンは大好きな2人に手伝ってもらえるので、
イニシャル D 風に
より楽しいイニシャル D 風にやっていきましょう。Initial D, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Initial
sir.
D. All right. Without further ado, you brought some tools. We got the car up already.
Yeah.
Let's pull off the hood. Start ripping out this engine. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You guys don't mess around, huh? Look at this. This engine's almost ready to come out of here already. Man.
What have it been?
Are you having flashbacks?
Oh yeah.
You have flashbacks? Raymond too? He grew up with these cars too, huh?
Yeah.
Down there. I love it. I love
He can't speak. He holds a flashlight with his mouth.
it. Nice. You know, I was telling you the other day, Ivan, I grew up around V8 Chevys. I grew up not around these engines, so... And a lot of people don't seem to know much about this engine, huh?
No.
Except-
I mean, it's definitely bringing back a lot of memories. This is actually the first engine I had the opportunity to actually mess with.
To actually overhaul, huh?
Yeah.
How many years ago was that?
Wow. Almost 15 years now?
15
Yeah,
years.
15 years now.
Kid, you're just a little kid in diapers back then, maybe.
Yeah.
Almost. Mama, crying for mama, right?
You were still asking for milk and
Crying
juice.
for. That's right. Mama. Not anymore. No, now he's a big
getting
boy.
older, look at him.
Playing with the 4 AGEs right here, kid.
1時間以内にもうエンジンがここまで来ました。全部外してあって次からエンジン出します。We're looking good, right?
Yeah, we are looking very good.
Engine is ready to come out. Woo! Woohoo!
Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah, you're right. That does look pretty new. The clutch.
I mean, it don't look like nothing fancy for sure, but
Hey, it did its job back then.
right.
Maybe not for the future though. I don't know yet.
It allows you to have some burnouts.
You guys pull this motor so fast, my dad didn't know what to expect. That's why he's gone.
Oh my God, dude. You guys don't mess around, huh?
No.
Kid, did you actually help?
You did all the work.
He did all the work, huh? Would you hire him?
Yeah.
Honestly.
Oh yeah.
Is he capable?
Yeah, he is.
There it is.
Look at my
Put you
hands.
to work.
They're clean.
Look at that. Let me
He's
see.
the guy.
Show me the proof. Proof. Nice. All right, man.
He is the guy.
Hey, so the plan is we're gonna put this on your truck tonight,
Yeah.
right? And we're gonna take it to your shop.
Yep.
And tomorrow
Yep.
we'll stop by. And can we can he actually be part of cracking it open and taking a peek inside?
Yeah, I think we'll have it ready on an engine stand. And,
Yes.
And we wait for him to show up. We're gonna be prepping the area to work with him, and as soon as he show up, we'll start cracking it apart.
And can I be honest with you too? I want to learn about that engine a lot.
All this.
I'm totally interested in that engine. Totally interested in learning about the ins and outs of that engine. And it's an engine I don't fully understand, I'll be honest, okay?
It is a pretty simple engine, but there's a lot of stuff I need to refresh myself.
Okay.
But it's like I said, like we mentioned at the beginning, it's a throwback.
I take the opportunity, I'm looking forward to doing that together with you guys, learning about it. And kid, you too, right? この日本語だと 4AGE というのか 4AGE というのかな 4AGE のエンジンの中身、それとどういう仕組みなのかなどについて非常に興味があるよね。あります。ね、中までちょっと開けて、もうちょっと勉強させてもらいたい。Ivan?
Yes.
You're our sensei.
Thank you.
先生2人 Raymond and Ivan, you're our sensei.
Sensei.
Okay? 先輩
Senpai.
後輩学生 me and the kid are the
I'll be
students.
learning Japanese.
We're gonna teach you some Japanese. あっちゃんすごいよね。初エンジンアウトなのあっちゃん。Z もいなかったんだよね。俺とタカが2人でやったんだよね。初めて。おー。Ivan, that's not a very big engine, huh?
No, it's not.
You said we could pick that up with our hands?
Probably, yeah.
I bet you Raymond can. Not a problem. Bear hug that thing.
We pick the Subaru ones all the time.
Wow. And this is a 1.6 liter engine, right?
1.6 liter engine.
4-cylinder. And this has 16 valves.
16 valve, yeah.
2 intake, 2 exhaust per cylinder.
Yeah.
Interesting.
The
Interesting.
intakes are always going to be bigger than the exhaust ones.
And it has dual cams, correct?
Dual cams, yes.
Dual cams, which are all getting, well, we don't know what's happening yet, do we?
Not yet.
But we're going to look at this engine tomorrow, open it up and take a look and then decide what we want to do.
Yeah, we're going to take measurements and see what we what we see in the engine.
All right, guys. So let's get this loaded in your truck, huh?
Yes,
Into
sir.
the shop,
Let's get
and
it
then
going.
tomorrow we're gonna hook back up again. So
Yep.
let's get it loaded.
My bad. Let me
There you go.
Nice.
Little baby engine.
Uh-huh.
All right, Ivan, Raymond, thank you for a good night's work. Thanks for staying so late, kid. Yoroshiku.
We'll see you guys
Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. That means thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Kind of like thank you. Have a good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
バイバイエンジン。
エンジンバイバイ。
バイバイ。また明日次の動画。
次の動画で、明日、来週の動画だよね。
来週。
来週の動画で。
俺たちの明日。
じゃあねー。バイバイ。よろしくお願いします。サムズアップね、やっちゃん。サムズアップ。寒い。お腹も空いてるし。
はい、おやすみ。
ママも、夕飯もう食べてないじゃん。俺は食べちゃう。じゃあね、バイバイ。おやすみ。Sky, we have a yummy cookie for you. We have a yummy cookie. You better jump. Oh! 外行きたいよね。わかったわかったわかった。はい。